Hello, and welcome to Atypical Tech's first YouTube video. My name is Matteo, and today we will be taking apart these two MacBook Pros in sort of a time-lapse speed take-apart fashion. Now, I would prefer to start the channel off with something a little bit more interesting than this, or perhaps unique, because you can find these kind of videos everywhere. But due to mainly to time constraints and just lack of other ideas, this was the best I could come up with, and I saw an opportunity for a video, and I decided that I should film this. But don't worry, we do have some more of those interesting projects coming along the way, so hang in there. Now both of these MacBook Pros are of the 13-inch variety. One is the 2009 MacBook Pro 5.5 model, the other is the 2010 MacBook Pro 7.1 model. Both of these laptops are sporting Core 2 Duo processors at very slightly different clock speeds, but for the most part the same. And each of them have 4 GB of DDR3 1066 MHz memory. Now, I acquired these laptops from a friend of mine who was going to throw them out, and I said, "Nah, man, I can repurpose those. There's no need to throw them out. I'll take them." So that's what today's video will be centered around. I'm going to be taking apart these laptops completely, piece by piece, cleaning them individually, piece by piece, and then putting them back together in order to make them run more efficiently and just not have to worry about that at a future date. So, let's get into this. Ta-da! There we go. That was hard for no reason in particular. I'm gonna take a quick break and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning it here. Alright, back from my break. Let's begin cleaning this utter monstrosity that is the computer. This isn't gonna be fun. Sounds like the fan is running pretty hot, or running full throttle. It's fine, probably just a perimeter RAM issue. I'll reset that in a second here. But obviously all the main components are still working. The thing is 1,000 times cleaner. This is one of the dustiest computers that I've ever seen. So there we go. We were successful. Alright, so that about wraps it up. As you can tell, I'm wearing a different shirt today because I ran out of time last night. I wanted to go to bed, so I didn't film the outro. And as you can also tell, there was only one laptop in the video, even though I said I was going to be doing two. The second laptop, the 2010 model, will be... The video will be up soon. I'll get around to filming it at some point, and then I'll put it up as soon as I can. But for now, the 2009 one, that's the full disassembly and reassembly. The only thing I skipped was me cleaning the screen, because I assumed that you guys didn't want to just watch me clean a screen for 30 seconds, because that's boring. But... Oh, and also, with the fan problem, it turns out that that was an issue with the Wi-Fi card, believe it or not. As I reassembled it, I didn't plug the connector back in all the way, and for whatever reason, the fan, that affected the fan. Obviously the Wi-Fi didn't work as well, but that led me to the problem, which I then fixed, and now it works like a charm. Obviously the outside's still dirty. I couldn't quite get the grime off the top or off the bottom, and there's a dent in it. Obviously you can't clean a dent. But it definitely, it looks a lot nicer than it did before. It's going to run cleaner. It's going to run probably not as loud because there's a lot of dust in the fan. The video didn't do it quite enough justice as how bad it actually was. But I'm happy that it's over. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you liked it, comment, tell me any positive criticism. I would very much appreciate, because this is my first time doing something like this. Any ideas you guys have to make it better, I'm more than happy to hear from. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys stick around for more videos.